John, I've got bad credit. I'm really concerned that I can't borrow any money. What can we do? That's a question I get fairly often as well. And a lot of us, we have been quite silly with our money when we were younger, and it tends to catch up on us. And that's not always in a bad way. I do have avenues where I can certainly help you out with. We've got people where we could potentially remove your previous paid defaults. Might be able to remove your bad credit. Naturally, there will be fees applicable, but it's certainly not a place where you can say, oh no, this is it, I'm done, I can't borrow any money. Turn to me. I've got avenues where I can point you towards, and I can certainly help you find a lender who might be able to take on potentially bad situation to a good situation. Reach out to me.